It's a cold morning, and Rocky's luck followed him over here. We didn't see a deer, not one deer. Good morning for squirrels, but we didn't see a deer. Got some good sign. I think we're right here. Here's the rub. But boy, ain't nothing moving over here right now. That's the way it goes, though. That's why I like to take my guest over here where there's no deer at, because
I knew it. I knew it.
they're like, "Hey, T-Mac, can I go home with you?" Yeah, let's go over here where there's no deer ever. I come out here and I take a pair of horns and I make rubs. I'll make fake scrapes, and we seen all kinds of sign coming in. His mouth was hanging. He's like, "Oh man, look at all this." That's me. I come out here and do that. You're welcome.
Too much time on your hands.
Yeah. We're gonna get out of here. It's cold. We're walking out of here, and it looks like these two scrapes were hit this morning, and we were only 100 yards over there, and we never seen him. He was just a little too far this way, and that scrape over there wasn't even there this morning when we walked through here. We seen this one, and we seen one back there. It looks like both of them were hit, so we were just a little bit out of the game, just a little bit, a game of inches around here.
It's so thick, it don't take...
Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it. I don't know if I'm smelling that scrape or if I'm smelling him. Keep your eyes peeled. Well, Rocky, my nose didn't lie, did it?
Nope.
We walked about 3 steps from where I smelt that deer and jumped up a little doe. Or a little buck. Could have been a button buck the way it smelled, but we did see some deer. So that's a plus. Oh well, that's how it goes. What do you think about the place, Rocky?
It's nice. It's thick.
Thick.
It's thick.
Everybody says that it's thick. Can't see nowhere.
Yeah, you ain't getting much over a 50-yard shot in there. It's all in bow range.
Oh yeah. All right, we just pulled into the hunting property, and we was driving down the driveway, and a big old buck, I seen his head turn. He's bedded behind a log. Rocky's got a buck tag and a 7 mag. So we're going to try and make this happen. It's going to be tough because I don't know if he can see the road, but he's going to know if anybody's walking and we're going to be on this road. So we're going to let it calm down. I'm nervous.
I'm nervous
already, so I'm gonna calm down, and then we're gonna slip down this road and try and put a move on this buck. I'm not gonna grab the crossbow. We're gonna get out here real quiet. Hope he's still there, and I'm gonna be filming this. You owe me some filming after this. You know that.
Oh, I'll do it if I can get him. He's big enough to owe some filming too.
All right, we're gonna try this. All right, so that buck's down here past this telephone pole. It's only a couple 100 yards. It's gonna be tricky. Hey, Rocky. When it's this quiet, let's just stand still. Okay. We'll go when the wind goes. He's looking away from him, though, isn't he? He's getting our wind. Get on him. I don't have a shot right there. Do you want to try to sneak up on the other side of this brush? I mean, you want to get closer to that? It ain't that I want to get closer. He's shaking his head. I mean, he might get up here pretty quick. shot through that. Got him. Dude, that's a thumper.
I smoked him.
Dude, that's a thumper. Rocky, what do you gotta say?
Well, I don't know. I'm about to dang pass out.
No, what I tell you you're supposed to say?
I gotta thank the greatest guide in northeast Oklahoma, possibly all of Oklahoma. And I'm shaking. Oh my God, we've been at this for 30 minutes standing here. Dude,
I think you smoked him.
I think he kicked.
Yeah, he kicked. I think you smoked him. Brother. Brother. So, how's your rut going this year?
Well, it's going great now. Look at my damn hand. It was the slowest process. And then it was the fastest process, right. All in one.
As soon as she blew, I was like, you better get ready.
That's why
you did perfect. You did so perfect.
Oh man, as soon as she blew, I got the gun shouldered. I was ready. I knew he was getting ready to stand up. And he stood up, and I didn't give him but a second to think about it.
That was the way it had to be.
The old 7 mag eater.
Let's calm down a bit and give that deer plenty of time. And
yeah.
We was driving down here, like I said, I just looked over there and seen those horns. Oh, I was like, oh, Rocky, back up. I mean, we did. Rocky stopped. I said, back up, back up, back up. And I was like, back all the way out of here. And, yeah, he's a thumper. He's a good one.
Well, he didn't go the same way as her.
No, he went straight and weird little right.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to take it easy here, relax, and maybe sit down. And
maybe take
I may shoot a doe.
Heck, here's things over there. Blood trail.
Man. Yeah, I think this is going to be short and sweet, buddy. Get up there and track this deer. Yeah, buddy. What do you think of that?
Nice.
Heck yeah.
Nice 8-pointer.
Bedded down up here with the doe.
Well, I hit him right where I was aiming. Right behind the shoulder.
Look at them, cool how white them horns are.
They are white.
Well, we're gonna go pick up the buck, and we had a pretty good day this morning. We had a little buck walk within 7 yards of us, and it was before shooting light, but I mean, he was close.
Yeah.
And then we had a doe bed down about 40 yards from us, and I thought about trying to put a sneak on that doe, but stepped out of that tree and hit about 3 branches that cracked, and she was like, what? And she took off after a little bit. Come out here and just driving down the driveway, and bam. Danny. And we only had to drag him 50 yards, so.
That was a lot less walking than normal.
Felt like 500.
Yeah.
Oh, he's waiting for us.
Oh, yeah, there he is. Waiting on help.
We'll come back and get you, buddy. This is what happens when you help me drag out deer. 2 years in a row, Rocky's helped me drag out deer. So, he gets the guided hunt with T-Mac on the sacred ground.
I'm going to help you drag out more.
Good day. Good evening.
Hey, we get to save the heart too.
Yeah, lung shot, so there'll be plenty of heart.